Happy birthday! You look great! Happy Vlogmas! I carried these big ass boxes from Manhattan to Brooklyn by myself. And I put this one on my head to walk from the train. A mess. What's up, guys? I'm home. I just got out of the shower, but I got this box that I ordered. I ordered something super lame, but so fucking cute. So let's see. I'm excited to like get my little gift to myself. Because why not? I deserve it. I'm obsessed with antique like home stuff, but I wanted to get something that's so lame, but I need it because I'm an adult now and I have my first apartment with my boyfriend. And I have a knife. I don't know why I'm doing this to myself. I have a knife. There we go. Ooh. I bought a butter dish. This is from the 90s, but it's supposed to be like Great Depression era, retro inspired. But they don't sell stuff like this online. These were produced by the government, and they would give out glass to people for free, like during the Great Depression. I'm like, that's pretty lit that they would give people like glassware for free because everyone was super broke and they knew that people needed glasses. I really wish the government would do that now and we would all use glassware instead of plastic, even though this is wrapped in crazy mad amounts of plastic. But this is so freaking cute. I bought it on eBay. It was $18 and $10 shipping. But they also had like, there's blue ones, there's fluorescent ones, and those are supposed to contain like uranium, so I wouldn't buy those if you're gonna have them in your house because uranium, like, scary. But this is glass, like when you have like a wine bottle. Let me get no glare. But yeah, this is so stinking cute, and it's, I want to have more like retro pieces, colorful glass. I feel like colorful glass is such a beautiful thing than just plain clear glass. You can get that on any, you know, website that you guys all know that sends people to the moon. But yeah, and they don't pay their workers right. But eBay is a great place to shop. Not sponsored, but I love eBay. I love supporting like small businesses, and a lot of people forget that eBay is a lot of small businesses. There are international people on there, but mostly small American businesses. This came from like, let's see, I don't know, Oklahoma. So there we go. All right, guys, I am gonna finish this. I have a mango chopped up, I have a beer, and I'm gonna go to my studio for a little bit, sew some stuff, and then I'm gonna probably go in bed and sew some stuff, to be honest. But I'll take you guys there for a second and let's go. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. How did you know?
Because I got your vacuum and I brought it back from Manhattan. I forgot to mention I also got this in the mail today, and yes, I am gonna, editing Maria, put in the video of you earlier in the elevator. Boop. Okay, there. I put in the video of me. I carried this. This is the PE800 embroidery machine because they're not making this bad boy anymore. I think it's a scam because they don't want to, they're coming out with a new one and the new one's going to be really expensive. But I got this one. I am still sewing this bag. It was really hard to sew these corners. It was a bitch, and I messed up and I had to re-stitch, which I showed in the video from yesterday, but I had to redo this whole side. Like, I got to about here and then I cut the thread and then I had to redo it. So now I'm over here. And then I still have this whole other side and the bottom to do. The strap's already done, but yeah, it's a labor of love. She's gonna be expensive. She's a labor of love. But all right, I'm gonna get back to this and then I'm gonna start sewing this again, go down the side. I hope I can get this far tonight and go back stitch. I think I'm gonna back stitch 4, which is what I usually do on my bags. And I don't know if I'll start the bottom, but maybe I will if I have energy. But who knows. All right, bye.